Hi, it's Dan from Reviews Plus, Reviews and More. We're on the reviews side this video. So we've had this wonderful iPad Pro 2021 for, let me see, July is when we actually bought it. It is now October. It's used every day. I would say about 3 hours a day on average. Kept in normal circumstances. Can you see it? We don't have it in the refrigerator. We don't have it in the oven or anything of that nature. But all of a sudden we recognize that little area of discoloration on the right. Kind of manifests itself equally spaced, darkened spots. We're going to take it off to the guys in the wonderful Apple Store, see what they have to say, but not a positive. Definitely not a positive to wake up and kind of see. I should say, as we were working on it last night, that there were these spots that had formed. We'll give you an update in the description below as to what happened. I think we know what's happened, but we'll go through it with you and we'll get what the texts say. And I'm wondering if anybody else is having this kind of problems or this kind of issue with the new iPad Pros that are coming out in 2021. Until then, like the video, subscribe to the channel, and as I said, we'll give you more updates as we find out what's going on.